To Jamaica, madam. Oh.
No.
Should we go inside?
It's raining.
Hello. Say hello, Hazey. Say hello, Hazey. Do you want hair bubbles in your hair? So today we're going to do Hazel's lovely hair. Aren't we, Hazey? You like it when Mummy does your hair, don't you? Let's have a look. So we've got a few coloured bands here. We're going to use some water. This is our hairbrush, our comb. And then we've got a few bubbles in here. Do you want to hold on to the bubbles till I'm ready? Go. There. Like water, don't you?
Yeah.
It's like being at the hairdressers, isn't it?
Yeah.
Here you go, madam. This is for you. There we go. Where have you flown in from today, madam? From where?
England.
From England. Oh, how was the flight?
Yeah.
Was it long? Was it bumpy? How was it?
It was bumpy.
Oh my goodness. You've flown such a long way. You must be starving.
Yeah, I was.
Oh, what food did you eat?
No.
No food.
I didn't put it on there. Right.
Ah, what food did you have in the end then, madam? What did they give? Did they give you a cup of tea?
No.
No? Well, you must have been so thirsty.
Give me a juice.
A juice. What do you feel?
Water.
It's raining. Oh, just typical. It's the afternoon, just typical. It's raining. What, should we go inside?
It's raining.
Should we go under the shelter? Hello. Right, should we move under the shelter and then we can finish? Yeah? I'm just about to braid her hair to do something with it.
Right. Hey.
Alright, let's get under the shelter. What are you laughing at? Honesty. Alright, sit back again for me, madam, now that we're out of the rain. There we go. Oh.
I've never said that in my life. I've never said that. I find that offensive.
Is that what Daddy would say?
Have I ever said that?
It's silly, isn't it? Thank you, Thee. Thank you. So right now, madam, your hair's been parted nicely, semi-nicely. Now I'm going to put in some lotion.
Mummy, can you move?
I got half.
Well done. It's a 360. Nice, nice, nice. In, especially at the back bit. The back bit's dry. Let's rub.
Doing your own hair at the same time.
Just because I put too much on her hair, there's some left in my hand, so I can go on my own. What should we do with your hair today? I'm thinking of doing 2 plaits here, and I'm going to put some bubbles in. Does that sound good? Yeah?
See the bubbles.
Oh, in a minute, Titi. Thank you. I am gentle doing your hair, Hazel.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I am. What, do I hurt you? When I do your hair? Okay. Well, I'll try to be as gentle as I can. Yeah? Hazel, don't do that. That's not very nice. Don't do that. That's better. Alright, so let's put this up. Darling, you need to sit still, Hazey. You need to sit still when Mummy's doing your hair. Put that up there. There we go. My mummy used to do my hair when I was little, and she used to put bubbles in my hair. I'll have to try and show you a picture. There we go.
When I'm big, I could do your hair.
Yeah, when you're bigger, you could learn from now if you wanted to learn how to do hair. Couldn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got a bit of a lump in that situation there. Pass me that tea. And my mummy used to do my hair and Auntie Chanel's hair like exactly the same. She used to almost make us look like we were twins. Always used to be the same.
Nanny does the nails hair.
Yeah. Here we go. So I know you guys are going to probably come for me in the comments, but this is the way I learnt to braid hair. Yeah, my cousin taught me when I was about 6, and this is the way she taught me to braid hair.
What's your cousin?
My cousin's called Lexine, and she taught me to braid hair this way, and everyone I noticed shortly after braids hair. So I go over, but everyone braids hair under. But I learnt this way, as I say, when I was young, and I couldn't be bothered to relearn. So, you know, it's just what I've gone with. There we go. Can I have a bobble, please, my kind assistant? Thank you. Shoo, go away. There you go, girlie. To be honest, there's some buzzing on my legs as well. Don't worry, Hayes, it's just a normal fly. That's looking pretty. I used to have my hair when I was younger, so I've had like so many styles. Hi, Rex. Nanny used to do my hair when I was little. Had so many hairstyles as well. Do you know what hairstyles I've had? Guess.
A rainbow hairstyle.
A rainbow hairstyle? I didn't have a rainbow hairstyle. You didn't know? Be happy. Be happy. Can you think of any other hairstyles Mummy had when she was growing up that she might have had?
No. I don't know.
So, when I was really, really young, just like I said, look at Daddy.
Now I finished.
Around 10, 11. Yeah, like 10, 11, 12. Then I had my hair relaxed. Do you know what it means when you have your hair relaxed? When you do your hairstyle, no. So when you have your hair relaxed, it means when you have it chemically straightened. So you know how Mummy's hair's like this? Yeah. You see Mummy's hair? I had my hair straightened so it looks like Daddy's a bit more. Oh, sorry.
I think it looked like mine.
No, it didn't. After that, I didn't have my hair relaxed for that long, probably like 2 or 3 years. And then after that, I started having braids. And I had my hair braided. Yeah, that's right.
You do that.
Yeah, I used to have my hair braided. And to be honest, that was probably my favourite way that I had my hair. I had my hair braided like different lengths. Sometimes it was short, sometimes it was longer, sometimes I had cane row braids, sometimes I had black braids, sometimes I had brown. I had a little bit of blonde in there one time. Yeah.
Wow.
But yeah, they're all the ways that Mummy used to have her hair. Now, I just tend to have it the way it is, basically. It's a lot easier. So, madam, let me put this back around you. How have you found moving to Jamaica, madam? Good. With your friends?
Yeah.
You did, didn't you? And you liked going to the beach with your bucket and spade, didn't you?
I didn't bring it.
You didn't bring it last time, did you?
No.
No.
Because there was no sand.
What do you miss about England?
A house. Our England house.
Oh.
Do you? Why is that?
Because I don't really know. I mixed my toys and my bed.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
What about school?
I mixed you.
Oh, and you miss who?
You too.
Who was Yuki?
My head. I had 2. I had 1 mama one. I had 1 daddy one. And 1 baby one.
Oh, you did love your Yukis.
Oh, I got 1 from daddy.
Oh,
Big one.
Yeah.
Santa brings it.
Oh, into the last Yuki, Hazel.
It went to do the river and it floated away.
One time when we was going for a family walk in England, Mummy and Daddy did tell you to leave your teddy at home. She insisted on bringing it on this walk with us. So we went on a walk to our local park.
I was playing.
So we went on a walk to the local park and she brought Yuki, the teddy hedgehog. She wanted to have a look at the river. Daddy picked her up to have a little look and
I said, don't drop Yuki.
in goes
And what
Yuki.
happened?
And he floated away.
Yeah, it floated down the river. To be honest, it was a bit sad and like Theo and Hazel did start crying. But yeah, that was Yuki. So you miss Yuki from England. We are almost done. Almost done. Your hair's looking very, very beautiful, I have to say. I just need one more bobble. I think you're going to absolutely love this look that I've done with your hair. Very beautiful. All right.
Do you like being pampered?
Yeah. Mum, are I done now?
Almost. All right, here's the final touch.
Maybe slick back. Would you put any gel on the top, spray it or anything, and lock it in?
There we go. So obviously, I've done the best job that I can with like the limited resources that I have. I don't have many hair products here. Well, as you know, we left a lot of our stuff back in England. I didn't ship anything over. I wish we did, but yeah, I didn't. So we've only got water and hair moisturiser and a few bobbles. But there we are, madam. Here's your final hairstyle. To Jamaica, madam. Sit here for a second, please. And how do you like the danglers, madam?
Yeah.
Right then.
Look nice. Your hair suits you like that. Pick one. Yeah.
Can I pick that for the goats so they can
Just
eat
get a
it?
pic. Go, Hazey.